Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to read to you a program called Tarot for Animal Signs, and this is for a monthly horoscope, which is for the month of May 2017, and it is for you coming from the sheep family. So let me get my Kabbalistic tarot cards. I like to use Kabbalistic tarot cards because they use they use zodiac signs and also planetary signs, which help me a lot. Now, the first card that I'm going to pull for you, the sheep, for the month of May, is for the first 15 days of May. So let's see what happens. Now, I have to divide even the first 15 days into two areas. The first 7 or 8 days shows that there is conflict and there is difficulties for you in your area of romance. But there is also solutions followed in the last 6 or 7 days of the first 15 days. So your first 15 days are divided into two. First part there's conflict, the second part there's conflict. So roughly from the 1st to 7th conflict, 7th to about 15th or 16th or 17th, the situation improves. Regarding your romance, there is a lot of difficulties which you will have to take the soft approach. Regarding your marriage areas, this shows many topics will lead to arguments. So you are listening to me, not your marriage or partner or romance partner. So don't bring up issues which are very sensitive in the first 15 days of May for you coming from the sheep family. Try to be your temperament, try to have it as very peaceful. Walk away from an argument, walk away from a stare. Walk away when you see conflict coming your way in romance and marriage. In your marriage and family areas, there doesn't seem to be any bonding in the first 15 days, but it's not really bad. It's not a breakup, but there's conflict, there's disagreement. So the best way would be to stay away from issues which are very prickly, and therefore bring up issues which are better and make everybody happy in your areas of romance and marriage. Regarding your job and career, you're going to have some problems for you, the sheep, in the month of first half of May. You're going to have difficulties where a conflict is seen regarding the way outlook is formed with your colleagues or with your bosses. So better to be a follower. Once you are a follower at your place of work, you're going to do well, because this area of conflict will be diminished. So be agreeable, be a follower, and you will be able to do better in the first 15 days. In areas of business, it says don't take risks. Financial issues are very touchy. Money can go out very quickly and not come in just as fast. So you need to control your finances. Cannot afford to be adventurous in business. So don't want to go for contracts which you feel are not very stable. Be happy and consolidate what you have. Consolidate means make what you have in your hands better. So play safe in areas of business in the first 15 days. My second card that I'm going to pull will be to do with your last 15 days of May. And this card shows a lot of stress and anxiety. So let's start with your area of romance. Arguments get out of hand. Issues of finances are not stable. So something to do with money can put a wedge between you and your romance partner. Looking for new romances, you're not going to get very far. And even if one comes your way, it will be loaded with complications. So don't give your heart away too easily. Have a wait and see attitude. Watch and look and see how it develops in the last 15 days, not very stably, I'm afraid to say. Regarding your marriage, be careful that financial issues are the main problem leading to arguments, blame. So you are the person listening to me, so try not to bring up situations where financial issues can cause arguments. A lot of stress basically seen in your marriage area. There's not only financial areas, there's so much problems, may come from your siblings, may come from your parents who are interfering in your marriage. So many types of problems are seen. The best would be do not allow any argument to get out of hand. So don't even start getting involved in an argument. Just say, let's leave it to another day, let's find a solution easily, give me time, talk that way. So I really don't like your last 15 days in areas of career, in your areas of romance and marriage. Regarding career, you can get bad news. I mean, why is stress seen? You can get bad news. You can see that perhaps the improvement in finances that you wanted in your job won't come. You may be relegated to a duty which you are not to be happy with. Your status may be also be down, and so you are not feeling proud of your job. So with your bosses, the main thing is that the signs of planets on this card say do not argue. If you can avoid argument, you will avoid a big problem in your last 15 days in job. Regarding business, basically the news is that money is scarce, money is tight, it's not going to come your way. Perhaps your collections are very weak, and that's why even if you go to your bank manager, you're not going to get very good news. You just have to tighten your belt and not take financial risks. If chasing a new job, I'm afraid to say there's a lot of stress shown, and because of that there is sudden and unexpected disappointment. So by all means chase for the contract you want, but don't depend on it totally. Now regarding business contacts, you can make business contacts. It's a very busy card, but these business contacts are not stable. So they throw promises at you which they themselves are not sure if they can deliver. Have that outlook and you will play safe. So your last 15 days definitely not too good for you. So the whole month of May not very steady. I want to talk to you about your health. The main situation for you coming from the sheep family is firstly the glands. So if you are a woman listening to me, watch out for the ovarian glands area which may give trouble. If you're a man, I would target the areas of the prostate. If you're a man or woman, I would be worried that your thyroid is not functioning well or your pancreas is not doing well. These are all the glands in you. Okay. Now the other situation from the other card I'm looking at is a little bit more serious. It's got to do with your spine. And so your spinal area in the month of may produce problems. Could come from a accident, God forbid. It may come from backache getting worse, but it's got to do with your spine. So go and see a spine specialist, and a neurologist would be the person you want to see, because normally these problems are caused because the vertebrae start pinching nerves, and go and sort that problem out for yourself. I'm going to give you some lucky dates, and the lucky dates which I've chosen for you are the 7th, 16th and the 25th. Now on these days and nights of the 7th, 16th and 25th, you are going to get very lucky, whether in romance, in marriage you'll find plenty of support, in areas of career good news, in areas of business also good news. So these three lonely dates and nights given to you in the month of May can be used to your benefit. So socialize with business in mind, socialize if you're looking for romance, socialize for bonding in marriage, socialize with your bosses or whoever on these days and nights, and you will find some good news coming your way. The directions which I've chosen for you is the direction northwest. So when you face northwest for making your dreams, for making your wishes, for finding hope, for wanting to meditate. Meditate is basically to focus on what you want, to do also with the power of attraction, and do this when you're facing northwest. And from northwest will come a lot of good energy for you, and this good energy will bring in solutions and allow you to cope with what I find is quite a difficult month for you from the sheep family. Well, I'm already Skyping, and I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session. That Skype session will be based on your date of birth, time of birth, looking at your palms, and also using Kabbalistic tarot cards. And go to Facebook, follow me. We may communicate on Facebook, make a date to Skype, or go to Skype itself, leave me a message and I'll come back to you. Until then, thank you and good luck.